In today's video, I am going to teach you how to assign a variable to a client on Pandadoc. To begin, go into Pandadoc and open the Templates tab. This is where you manage the reusable documents you send out, like proposals or agreements. Find the template you want to work with, and select it so you can edit its roles and content. Make sure you are in the template editor and not viewing a completed document, because variables are usually set up at the template level. Next, go to the top right and click plus, Add Roles. Roles tell Pandadoc who is involved in the document and what information can be pulled into fields and variables. In the role name box, type Client, then click Add. Adding this role is important because many client-related variables, like a first name or company name, are tied to a role. If the role is missing, you may not see the variable you need, or it may not populate correctly later. Now look to the right sidebar and click the Variables icon. It looks like curly braces with an X inside, like X. This opens the list of available variables for your template. Variables are placeholders that automatically fill in with client details when you create a document and assign a real contact to the client role. Using variables helps keep your templates consistent and reduces manual editing. In the variables list, find the variable you want to insert. For example, you might see something like client first name. When you see the variable you need, click the copy icon next to it. This copies the variable formatting exactly as Pandadoc expects it, which helps you avoid typos or broken placeholders. After you copy the variable, click into a text block in your template where you want the client information to appear. Place your cursor in the correct spot within the sentence, then paste the variable. It should appear in line with the rest of your text, so it reads naturally when the document is generated. Once pasted, you can adjust spacing and punctuation around it so it looks clean and professional. Save your changes as needed, and your template is ready to automatically pull in client details when you use it. And that covers everything you need to know.